Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Appreciate you taking our time today. It's always a delight to share this space with you, dive deep into intriguing topics. Today, we're unpacking a thought-provoking concept. Dream doesn't work unless you. It's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a life philosophy that has the power to transform. We're thrilled you're here with us, and we're grateful for your support. We promise an enlightening journey today as we explore the concept, dream doesn't work unless you do. Have you ever wondered why some dreams come true while others remain just dreams? Dreams. They are the whispers of our hearts, the longings of our souls, the visions that dance in our minds as we sleep and even as we walk through our days. They are the rich tapestry of our innermost desires and aspirations. But what exactly are dreams? Well, dreams are more than just random thoughts. They are a mental picture of what we want to achieve or where we want to be. Now, some might confuse dreams with goals. While they do share similarities, they are not the same. Dreams are the broad, big picture end result we hope to achieve. They are often filled with emotion and personal meaning. Goals, on the other hand, are specific, measurable steps that move us closer to realizing our dream. Think of dreams as the destination and goals as the roadmap that leads us. So, why do some dreams come true, others remain just that? Dreams. The answer lies in the action we take. You see, dreams are just the beginning, they are the seed. But a seed, no matter how potent, will not grow without the right conditions. It needs to be nurtured, watered, and given sunlight. In the same way, our dreams need action to come to life. Without action, dreams remain dormant, unfulfilled. Dreams are the canvas, but action is the paint that brings it to life. Action is the bridge between the dream world and reality. It is the vehicle that takes us from the realm of what could be to the land of what is. It is the catalyst that transforms our dreams from mere thoughts into tangible achievements. Without action, dreams are just fantasies, beautiful maybe, but still just figments of our imagination. But with action, dreams become possibilities, and then probabilities, and finally, realities. So while dreaming is important, while it forms the foundation, it is the building blocks of action that construct the reality. Remember, a dream doesn't work unless you do. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. While dreaming forms the foundation, it is the building blocks of action that construct the reality. Let's dive into a tale of two dreams, shall we? Their names were Max and Sam, two individuals with dreams as big as their hearts, yet with approaches as different as night and day. Max was a dreamer of the passive kind. He sat in the quiet comfort of his room, day in and day out, letting his mind wander to the possibilities of success. The dream was vivid, the fame, the fortune, the glory. It was all so real in his mind that he could almost touch it. He dreamt of it, talked about it, even wrote about it. His dreams were beautiful, yet they remained just that, dreams. He waited for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity to come knocking at his door. But as the days became weeks and weeks became months, his dreams remained untouched, unfulfilled. On the other side, we had Sam. Sam was a dreamer too, but of the active kind. His dreams were just as vibrant, just as tempting. But there was a key difference. Every morning, he would wake up and take a step, no matter how small, towards his dreams. He was not waiting for the perfect moment. He was creating it. He worked tirelessly, learning, growing, failing, and then getting back up again. His journey was not easy. There were hurdles, there were setbacks, but with every step he took, he was inching towards his dream. Max and Sam, two dreamers, two visions, yet two drastically different outcomes. The different waited for success to come, the other chased it. One lived in the world of what ifs, the other in the realm of I will. And that made all the difference. Dreams are wonderful. They give us hope. They give us direction. But dreams alone aren't enough. They require action. They require effort and perseverance. It's not enough to dream of success. One must work towards it, And that's the key difference between a passive dreamer and an active dreamer. While both dreamt of success, only one laid the path towards it. So, what differentiates a mere dreamer from a dream achiever? Well, it all boils down to one word: action. Dreams are a wonderful thing. They fill our minds with endless possibilities, painting our world with vibrant colors of hope and desire. But dreams without action are merely illusions. They're like a beautiful bird trapped in a gilded cage, yearning for the open sky but unable to spread its wings. The beauty of a dream lies in its potential to become a reality. And that's where action steps in. It's the bridge that connects the world of dreams to the world of reality. It's the key that unlocks the cage, freeing your dreams to take flight. But remember, building that bridge or turning that key isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process requiring hard work, persistence, and resilience. Think of your dreams as a seed. That seed has the potential to grow into a magnificent tree, but only if it's nurtured. It needs sunlight, it needs water, and it needs time. Similarly, your dreams need your efforts, your sweat, and your time to blossom into reality. It's crucial to acknowledge that this journey isn't going to be easy. Every dreamer will face obstacles and setbacks. There will be moments of doubt and despair, but it's in these moments that the power of action truly reveals itself. It's your relentless pursuit, your unwavering commitment, and your indefatigable spirit that will push you through these challenges. Remember the story of the dreamer we discussed earlier? The difference between them and a dream achiever is that the dream achiever doesn't stop at dreaming. They roll up their sleeves. They face the challenges head on. They stumble. They fall. But they get up, dust themselves off, and keep moving forward. So let's not be mere dreamers. Let's be dream achievers. Let's infuse our dreams with action, with hard work, with persistence. Let's make our dreams more than just beautiful illusions. Remember, your dreams need the fuel of your actions to take flight. Now, you might be wondering, how can we turn our dreams into reality? The first step is to set clear, measurable goals. A dream without a goal is like a ship without a compass. It will drift aimlessly without ever reaching a destination. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? And most importantly, why do you want to achieve it? The answers to these questions will provide you with a clear direction and a compelling reason to persevere. Once you have a clear goal, the next step is to create a plan. Just like an architect wouldn't start building without a blueprint, you shouldn't start your journey without a plan. This plan is your roadmap, outlining the steps you need to take to reach your goal. It may involve acquiring new skills, building connections, or setting up a daily routine. Remember, a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Now, we have a goal and a plan, but that's not enough. The most crucial step is taking consistent action. Every day, do something that brings you one step closer to your dream. Even the smallest action can make a difference. Consistency is the key here. It's better to take small steps every day than trying to make a giant leap once in a while. Lastly, remain persistent despite obstacles. The path to your dreams will not be a smooth one. There will be challenges and setbacks. But don't let them deter you. Instead, treat them as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, it's not how many times you fall that matters, but how many times you get up and keep going. The golden key to unlocking your dream lies in your consistent efforts. So set your goals, make a plan, take action consistently, and remain persistent. Your dreams are waiting for you. It's time to get to work. Fascinating journey exploring dreams and the power of action. We've delved into the concept of dreams, heard about a dreamer's story, discovered the potent force of action, and even outlined practical steps towards achieving your dreams. It's clear from our discussions that action plays an indispensable role in bringing dreams to life. Before we part ways, please take a moment to like this video, share it with those who need this message, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Remember, your dream doesn't work unless you do.